Okay, it's funny because I was actually going to post this one already today, so good timing. Those are your rotator cuff muscles that are still tight, and this is my favorite way to do it. You gotta make a basket for your head to lay back in, and then you start by I gotta take a stretch break because it's the morning and I'm tight and this feels really good. Anyway, you start by rolling on your upper back just to kind of like mobilize the area and introduce pressure to it, and then you end up centralizing that roller on like your upper back, on the back of your shoulder blades. Set your hips down and then rock over to one side. Now you're nestling the roller in that pocket, see where the shoulder blade and the arm meet. It's kind of like that area was made for a roller, or vice versa probably. Your elbow's on the ground and you're supporting your head with your fist. Now it's okay to lift your elbow off the ground while you rock open and let the roller wrap around the back of your shoulder blade and then back forward again onto your side, okay? Not in your armpit, but just right next to it. The roller is connecting to all the muscles on top of your shoulder blade and like right next to it, that tricep tendon and all of the rotator cuff muscles. Now that might be it for you, but if you want more sensation, you're gonna do this and let your head rest in your upper arm bone and then rock forward and back again, maybe even down and up a little bit. Now you're pinning and stretching the rotator cuff while you search around for the most important spot. And then once you find that spot, you'll stay on it and breathe. Something you have to know about the shoulder is that it's got a back, a front, a top, a bottom, and all of the angles in between those. So if there's dysfunction in one part of the shoulder, there's going to be dysfunction in probably the rest of it. It's a circular mechanism, and all of those angles have to work in harmony for the shoulder to feel really good. That's why you should learn how to do all of it. Get my masterclass, foam rolling for neck and shoulder relief. Okay, so when you're done, you'll roll back onto your back and just feel the difference between your shoulders. Glide up and down. And I can't be bothered at all to get up from here, so just have a great day.